Let's take a look at how to set up an email account in Microsoft Outlook. First, click Add an Account, and a panel will pop up for you to add your name and input that. And input the email address that we set up for you, or you just set up for yourself in your hosting control panel. And then input your password. And type it in again just to confirm. And at the bottom, choose to manually configure the server settings. And click Next. And out of the 4 choices, pick Internet Email Account. And click Next again. Now you want to fill in a bit of information here. Choose POP3 as the most popular setting. IMAP will work as well. Your incoming mail server will be mail.yourdomain.ca or .com, .net. And the outgoing server will be the same, mail.yourdomainname.ca, .com, .net, .org. And in here, you want to input your username. Now notice that you use the plus sign instead of the @ sign when you're inputting a username. Right there. And then input your password once again. And you want to tick that box to remember your password. And also turn off the test account settings. That will allow you to set up some more things without it telling you it's not working yet. First, click the Outgoing Server tab and turn on My Outgoing Server Requires Authentication. And move over to the Advanced tab, take a look around. Everything seems good. You might want to turn off the Leave a Copy of Messages on the Server. They do pile up and they will take up space in your hosting account. And click OK. Now you do have to receive mail before you can send it. That's a spam setting. Most ISPs make use of it. So you want to have from a Hotmail account something sent to you as a test mail. It looks like my test mail came in just fine. Both of them. Step 2 is to always make sure you can reply to that test mail. Sending is just as important to feature to test as receiving. And remember, you want to receive first and then test send. And you want to sit here and watch for a minute and see what happens. Right now, the account is attempting to send out. And it looks like there might be a small problem sending. It looks like it might be one of those cases where I can receive mail but I can't send, and this is a common problem in Canada. What it means is that your provider, your ISP, can be Rogers or Shaw, they want you to use their SMTP setting in your account. So the way to do that is to first find out from their website what that setting would be. We've also in our knowledge base got pretty much every provider in Canada with their settings there, so you could take a look at our knowledge base as well. But you need to go back into your account settings, and remember that SMTP spot. We're going to take a look at that. First, you'll click More Settings. Go back to that outgoing server. Now, most ISPs don't require this setting to be on, so you'll start by turning that off. Click OK. Then go to your SMTP setting and input what they asked you to. And again, you can find most ISP settings in our knowledge base. Just click that link that says I can receive but I can't send. And that's it. And if you've stayed calm and relaxed, it really is that easy to set up an email account in Microsoft Outlook. Let's take a look. And we're going to try and send that email again. Look at that. Give it a try yourself. See how things go.